Hi friends, this angle grinder is becoming bad. Maybe the washer, rubber washer inside is damaged, so it's having very unusual sound, and the armature is touching the core body, so it's making huge noise, and it will, if you run this way, it will get damaged very easily and quickly. So let's open and see how we can change the rubber washer. First, take off the power cable and the carbons are okay. Both carbons are okay, and this washer, the rubber washer, this one become damaged. That's why the armature is touching the core body inside, making huge noise, and it will get damaged very soon. So you can buy a new rubber washer from the market and replace it easily, and it will solve the problem. But unfortunately, if you cannot find a rubber washer, then there is a easy hack to solve the problem. We will use a bicycle tube piece and to solve this problem. So let's cut a bicycle tube piece. Okay, so we have cut a bicycle tube piece, and okay, so make a hole in the center. Just make a hole in the center. Let us keep the hole small, don't make it big, because when you use it inside with the speed and heat, it will loosen up a bit and become out of shape, so again you will face the same problem. So keep the hole small, and it will loosen a bit and will reach the perfect hole. It's okay, this hole will be sufficient. Now let's put this rubber cut piece inside in the center. Use a screwdriver and put it in the center, and make sure it stays in the center position. Okay, now insert the armature and make sure the rubber patch edge stays. It's not push the bearing, not pushing the rubber patch go inside. The edge of the rubber patch stays outside and the middle part goes inside. So this is the perfect position. Okay, so the rotor is moving without any touching any part. Okay, now it's time to take it out. Power cable. Okay, it looks good, working fine, and the bicycle tube rubber washer looks like working fine. And if you can get the original rubber washer, that's best. You can change that, but in case you cannot find the original rubber washer, then you can use the help of a bicycle tube rubber. Thanks for watching, and please like, share and comments, and take care. Bye bye.